Well, I was going through the garage and came across this. Hasn't been used. Oh, been used at some point, but as you can see from the condition of it and the condition of the state of the chuck, it has not seen even the sticker on the handle hasn't worn off. So you can see it's had a pretty easy life, apart from it don't work. Not sure what we can do with this, but I might have to modify that, because the plan is to have a look in there and take the batteries out and see how this will work with a couple of lithium cells in there from a laptop battery. So that's the plan. Well, this is me attempting to cut the battery out, and it's going to take some time, as it's welded in, plastic welded in around the edge, not screwed. And so to try and preserve the case as best I can, I'm going to take it as easy as I can. So the rest of this will be speeded up with a bit of light music for your entertainment. Yeah, some of the quality of the recording is not very good here. So this is just showing that where the positive and negative go, and the little plate that forms the battery connections. again, I don't think you're going to see this at full speed, so I'll just speed it up and find some more music. If you'd like to see, subscribe, hit the bell, and I'll catch you in the next video for part 2.